How should I store my drums? Are you wondering how to store your drums to keep them in top shape? In this video, I'm going to share the essential tips you need to protect your drums from damage, rust and detuning while they're not in use. Stick around, because proper drum storage is key to maintaining your gear for years to come. This is more of a common sense video, but I was asked this some time ago, so thought I would create this video to make permanent reminder to beginner drummers. Hey there, developing drummers. If you've ever packed away your drums and found them sounding off when you brought them back out, you're not alone. Today, I'm breaking down the best practices for storing your drums, cymbals and hardware so that they stay in perfect condition and sound great every time you set them up. Alright, let's get right into it. According to Simon J from the London Drum Company, they store around 120 snare drums in their warehouse, and all of them are uncased and set at a rough playing tension. This means there's no need to detune or slacken your drum lugs when storing your drums. In fact, keeping your drums at a normal playing tension actually helps keep their shape and prevents detuning when you're ready to play again. Another key point: always keep the snare strainers on your snare drums. This prevents the wires from getting bent or damaged, keeping them flat and true on the head. Now, the most important rule when it comes to drum storage is to avoid moisture at all costs. Whether you're storing your kit in a cool room or a warmer one, you need to make sure the space is well ventilated and completely dry. Dampness can cause rust on your hardware, and even damage the drum shells over time, so avoid humid or damp rooms. You'll also want to steer clear of direct sunlight or any heat sources. If your drums are exposed to heat for too long, the shell covering can start to peel away, and that's not a repair you want to deal with. Keep your drums out of direct heat and make sure the room is cool and shaded. When it comes to cymbals and hardware, I like to rub a very thin layer of lubricant over my hardware to help avoid rust. Something like WD-40 or other light lubricant. I then pack them away in their cases, and that's all that is required. Storing cymbals is basically the same. Just don't add the lubricant. Instead, just pack them in their cases or bags and keep them dry. Finally, it's a good idea to periodically clean and lubricate your drums. Dust can accumulate around the lugs, rims and chrome, so give them a good wipe down and keep those lugs lubricated to prevent rust or stiffness. Doing this regularly will ensure your drums not only look great, but function perfectly whenever you're ready to play. So there you have it, key tips to store your drums like a pro. Keep them at playing tension, avoid moisture and heat, and give them a little TLC every now and then to keep them in top condition. Now that you know how to store your kit properly, what if you're ready to take your electronic drum kit to the stage? Check out my next video where I'll break down what you need to play your electronic drum kit live.